chopping? I don't know. I should do more, but I'm lazy, so that's it. And then put water in and soak it. So I soaked the rice, and I'm gonna combine with the black rice that I soaked like 4 hours. Flatten it, and it's just like a little before your whatever. This is good. Whatever. It's like a medium fire. Alright. I'm washing Chinese broccoli. Wash it. Okay, that's good. I'm chopping some garlic. Oh shit. Smash it. Like that. Cool. How long? It's like 8 minutes past. Huh? It's like kind of started bubbling. It's like that. It's purple, nice and purple. And I'm just gonna put the lid like this. So like another couple minutes passed. See? Water's almost gone-ish. Now I lit it and turned down to like 2. Vegetable of the night is Chinese broccoli, like I said before. So put the oil. And then put those chopped goodies. And in the meantime, I check the rice. Look at this beauty. Woo! So now I'm turned down to very, very low on the rice side. And this guy is getting ready. So let's put those bad boys. I put rice wine just randomly. Like that. Here's the seasoning. And you need the lid. Where is it? Okay. I don't have the right size, so I'm just going to use this. Ta-da! We're 3 of us today, so I'm going to cut it in 3 ways. Cool. Alright, look at this guy. Looking good. So in the meantime, I'm going to turn it down a little bit. And then the rice is finally ready, so I'm going to turn it off. Keep the lid on. That's going to make it taste good. Before all the water goes away, I'm going to put some oyster sauce. I never measure things. So just like, I always like draw one line. Like this. This guy's ready, I think. It's nice, right? Turn it off. Ta-dee! Now I'm ready for the tofu. Getting ready. Just like that. Let's wait until it gets actually brown. I think it's brown. Hey, look at this thing. Look at this. So it's getting real funky over here. Getting funky over here. Oh. Burnt. Burnt, baby. Burnt. Doesn't look good.
Looks beautiful.
But it's burnt. Let's not show that. Let's not show that. Great. So I kind of plated it. Oh, put it on the plates. English.
No, that's the cooking term.
The end of my bonito flakes, so I'm gonna put that. Looks so nice. And the shiso leaves that I have. Nice and shiny. Okay, rice. Coming to.